Hey guys, it's Babu with Mortgage Scout, and thanks again for joining me. Today what I'm going to be talking about is things not to do when you're actually shopping for a home. For example, when you're actually going out shopping for a home, things that you shouldn't be doing are things like getting a huge loan, making any big purchases on your credit card. You shouldn't also be changing your job. You shouldn't be, there are certain situations when you can, but that's when I would recommend talking to your mortgage specialist just to make sure that it's not going to actually affect your application, because at the end of the day, when you are changing the structure of your financial profile right before the actual funding date, that could actually change the underwriting process and the underwriting that they've already done, and it could trigger a whole new assessment to be done on your file. So at the end of the day, you want to make sure that any kind of changes that you are going to be doing, if it is going to be affecting your mortgage or the mortgage application itself, it is something that you want to try to delay if possible. And also keep in mind, one other thing that's not too often talked about is how your funds are transferred. Try not to do any large transfer of funds until you get to the point when all your bank statements are consolidated and they're actually put together and sent to the lender so that they can confirm that you have the down payment within your accounts. At the end of the day, the way the lenders are regulated, they have to make sure, due to the anti-money laundering laws, that you have all the funds for the down payment, and it's something that you've had in your accounts for a while. So they will ask for your bank statements, and you do want to make sure that you're not moving your funds around too much so that it looks a little shady or that it looks very convoluted, because that might trigger a lot more bank statements to be required by the lender, and at the end of the day, that's going to cause a lot more stress on your behalf and also on the lender's behalf. So make sure that that's something that's looked after, and that you're actually talking to your mortgage specialist before you go ahead and make any transfers, so that it doesn't cause or trigger more documents to be requested. And once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your comments below.